About 3 years ago, I quit my job for a vision I wasn't quite yet ready to build. And yesterday, we may have figured out how it all ties together. So I've been building these bots for people, right? Like I got my own Mac Mini server, got my own super agent harness, let's say, won't throw around any names. It was great. Gave it to a bunch of people, a lot of my friends testing it out. They thought it was great. And it's been a matter of, okay, these bots are great. How do we bring it out and into the world in a way that's useful? And we've been bouncing between all of these different ICPs. Small businesses being very interesting. We want to support small businesses. My father had a small business. But yesterday I did an exploration into family offices. Like, oh, let's go after the wealthiest freaking people on the planet. Nope, that's not going to work. Well, what if we just support artists and entrepreneurs? That's always been the vision and the dream. My original vision, the reason I quit my job 3 years ago, and I don't talk about this a lot. Everyone's like, what's why? I never once said this. Why was meant to be the next social network, the better TikTok. TikTok bad for many reasons. We wanted to build a new one. Well, 3 years ago, I didn't have the tools to do so, but I was like, I'm going to do it. And everyone was like, you're crazy. Well, fast forward a couple of years and we've learned how to build. We've built ourselves, myself, up and into a version actually capable of realizing this. And now the pieces have finally clicked. What if we just build the bots for the creators? The creators are the solopreneurs. There's a famous trope in venture, whatever, business, if you want to call it. Come for the tool, stay for the network. Instagram got started as a tool. Put a filter on a photo, share that photo. Suddenly you have a network of people sharing photos. When I wanted to build a new TikTok, I didn't have a tool. There was no tool. The idea was, we're just going to build it and people are going to come. No, not at all true. What is the tool? Well, I'm building these bots. These bots are the tool. Okay, but what the hell are the bots? Well, the bots can manage the entire business of being a creator, because being a creator has now become a business. It's an entirely new business class. And I'm friends with many creators. When they sign up for this, they just want to make the damn content. They want to be artists. They want to be creators. They don't want to manage brand deals. They don't want to manage a bank account, documentation, all of this burden, email, communication, back and forth, a storefront if they're selling a product, an app if they're building an app. It's a ton of freaking work. But guess what? These bots can solve all of it. Come for the tool, stay for the network. So what is the network? TBD. We don't yet know, but we do know that we should just start supporting creators. Why not just go after creators? That was the vision from day freaking zero. And now we're here. And now you can hear it. Go watch yesterday's video when I was like, let's go see if we're going to talk to family offices, and listen to that energy, and then come back here and then listen to this energy, and you tell me which path we should go down, right? And fuck it, let's just go into the grandest possible vision for this, right? I have my own bot. My own bot lives on my own hardware, aka my Mac Mini. Just now, DeepSeek launched V4 of their open source, open weight model that competes with the top of the line closed weight models. What that means is the walled gardens that have always been walled throughout all of, let's just call it computer history, the last 20, 30, 50 years. Well, since the internet, we'll say closer to 30. Gone. Totally gone. All of the magic that you're running in ChatGPT or Claude in the cloud now, it's going to be running on your own device real soon. What does that enable? Well, we got this crazy, shiny, this new fancy schmancy technology that I don't understand very well. I got to be honest, but I have very smart friends who I respect who say it's the future, and I believe them. I'm a bit of a dreamer. It's called the AT protocol. It's a protocol for the future of the decentralized web, meaning we own our own data. Okay, I got buddies building this next, call it the decentralized TikTok. What's the tool? They're like, oh, well, it's decentralized. No one cares. But if suddenly we have our own servers that run our own intelligence, our own bots to make it seamless, easy as hell to be a creator, this new creator class, okay, then why not, on top of everything else, we'll just start to host the content on our own network that the creators actually host and own. I don't know what the economics of this system look like. I don't really give a damn. As long as it's free and open and we give the maximum value to creators, they're the ones providing the actual value in this whole ecosystem, right? Like on Instagram or TikTok, the network provides a lot of value because, well, when they were created, it was really expensive and hard to create a network. Now anyone can create anything, right? The cost of building things is basically approaching zero. So who wins? Well, probably whoever has the best deal. So why not make the best deal for creators? Give them the best possible product. Support the creators today. My own bot, funny enough, was like, here's an outline for a video. So I was like, I gotta record this stuff. I gotta just like yap about it. Right. And it was like, okay, here are your 6 steps. And I'm like, okay, I'll follow those 6 steps. Wrong. We're just gonna ramble. So we did. In that, it said, here is the end, right? The end of this is going to be the call to action. I'm going to be building these bots for creators. I've got plenty of them in my network right now today. Excuse me. I'm on coffee number 3. It's 9:30 a.m. We're going to rip another one after this. If you are a creator and you want a bot to deal with any of the headache of being a creator, this can mean sourcing inspiration. Say you scroll Instagram, scroll TikTok, YouTube. I don't care what you do. I do it, right? You can just send them all to your bot. And now your bot has your like vault of content, your inspiration, if you will. And your bot will also know who you are, so we can make this ideation phase much quicker. We can also post across the networks. That's super annoying. When I go to post a video, it's like, great, now I gotta open TikTok, and now I gotta open Instagram, and now I gotta open YouTube, and they're all the same thing. Well, we'll just make okay, come here, we'll post across all of them. Boom. You want analytics? You want to know how your videos are doing across the platforms? Sure. You want to remix content? Maybe you post on Substack. Hey, you're a freaking Substacker. Good for you. That means you can write something I'm working on. Got to become a better writer. But we can remix, right? We can take your Substack and we can automate turning that into carousels or short form scripts or go the other way or YouTube videos, right? We just want to mix and match and make it as easy as possible for your content to go as far as possible. So you are a super creator. I don't know. I just made that up. Sounds good to me. Right. And downstream of that, we have the analytics. And then downstream of that, if you are successful enough to the point where you are now suddenly running a business of sorts, maybe you have brands reaching out to you because they want to monetize your audience. They say, hey, you have a lot of eyeballs coming in. Can you sell our product? Can you put our product in front of people? Well, we can help you manage all that. Because why? Because your freaking bot will do it. We're going to build your bot to do it. And then even beyond that, all of the admin that goes in. Okay, now suddenly you're running your own business. Oh, do you have an LLC? Do you have a bank account? Do you have all this stuff that you need to keep track of? Oh, you're buying new equipment. Oh, you're managing partnerships with other creators. Like, who's juggling all this? Do you have a manager? Are you paying that manager? I don't know. I'm not that big. I only got a couple thousand followers. But all of that in one home, bots from day zero. None of this is built yet. But hey, if we waited for it to be built and then started to tell the story, that would be valueless. The only regret over the last 3 years was not being open and honest. I wanted to build this network 3 years ago, but I was powerless to do so. Now, finally, I can build the damn thing, but it's like, hey, why weren't you telling that story the whole freaking time? So, here we go. I want to say day 1, day 0. Who counts days? This is day 9765 or something in my life, and we're going to make it happen. If you're a creator, comment. If you're a follower, fan, dare I say. Follow along, like, let's go. Let's be freaking crazy. Let's build a brighter, let's build a more creative, better connected future. That was the goal. The old networks are bad because everyone's faking it on the old networks. Everyone's trying to get likes. Look how beautiful my life is. Screw that. I want to build a network where people show up as their most authentic selves. That's why I put out a video of me yesterday eating beans and fish. Because you know what? I eat beans and fish every day. That's what this is about. Be you, show up, and we're going to figure out how to get you to make money off it. All right? Maybe I should stop rambling. You know, fuck it. Who cares? Who's watching this? You. All right. I got to go build some bots. Talk to you later.